In this video, let's learn how to draw some utensils. First, I am going to draw a mixer. Let's draw the base of the mixer. Let's draw the operator switch. I am drawing a bowl to place in the mixer. And now let's draw the beater. Great. Now let's draw a cup of milk. Then I am drawing a milk box. This contains the milk. Now I am drawing the egg box. It contains 6 eggs. Awesome. Now let's draw the floor box. This contains the floor. And finally, I am drawing a mixer. Now I'm going to use this marker and make it more attractive. Now it is coloring time. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. First color is red color. The next color is orange color. This is yellow color, light green color, and finally pink color. Let's color the bowl with light blue color. You can also try along with me, children. This is the easy drawing. Light green color. Violet color for the base. Let's color the operator switch with pink color and light blue color. This is the water. This is violet color. Light pink color. Orange and brown color. This is purple color and red color. Let's color the mixer with light green color. This is yellow color. This is a beater, water, milk, flour, egg and a mixer. Thank you for watching, children. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.